Eighth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 29. It says, does the equation below define a linear function? Okay, for a linear function, it needs to be a straight line. And for the equation, your equation will be in the form y equals mx plus b. The x and y are variables and the m and b are constants. All right, so if I have y, and I should say the exponent on x is 0 or 1. So that's important. The m is just some number. The b is just some number. You'll learn soon. It means slope and y-intercept. But it's got to be in the form y equals something times x plus something. All right. So if we have y equals 4 over x when x does not equal 0, they're telling us x is not 0 because it would be undefined if you divide by 0. This is not a linear function. Graph won't be a straight line. And exponent on x is not 0 or 1. One thing we could do, if I have y equals 4 over x, down here, that's x to the first power. But I have to rewrite it so that variable is upstairs. So that's the same as 4 times x to the negative 1. You know, if you have a positive exponent in the denominator, you bring it up to the numerator, you make it negative. So with an exponent of negative 1, that automatically tells me it's nonlinear. You can't have the x in the denominator. That makes it nonlinear. So x in denominator really means that it'll have a negative exponent. Means it's not linear, not a straight line. And we could sketch this graph if we wanted to. I could pick some values for x, substitute them in, find values for y. So I'm just going to pick a couple of values for x. Let's say x was 1. So if I have y equals 4 divided by 1, well, that's 4. So if x is 1, y is 4. Let's substitute in 2. Y equals 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2 will be on our graph. Let's plug in 4. Y equals 4 over 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 will be on our graph. And now I'm going to just go ahead and substitute in 8. Y equals 4 over 8. 4 over 8 is the same as 1/2. So if I wanted to graph that, just a little sketch. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a quick sketch. So 1, 4, 2, 2, whoops, 4, 1, 8, 1/2. As you can see, this is definitely not going to be linear. It's going to be a lovely curve. There you have it. Just to give you an idea of what it looks like. It'll be a curve. It won't be a straight line. I hope that helps.